This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good afternoon, you guys. A quick update. You guys look at my channel banner, which is cool, which is awesome. That's my Twitter. That's my Facebook. And then I'm recently changing this picture and this see, all the way. And I give all credit to Light Feather for making that happen. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask me. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. That'd be awesome. So right now, I'm just getting ready for work, which is gonna be awesome. Work's awesome. So it is pretty cool. Wait, do I have much container somewhere? I thought I'm gonna use the same medical tool that I had yesterday. Yeah. It's still a little bit clean, but hey, I used it yesterday, so why not? But it's gonna have the same stuff tomorrow. So I'm just heading to work, so talk to you guys when I'm done work.
Type fast. What? 7, 9. There we go. Got the code working, you guys. So right now I'm just going through a car wash, you guys. Yes, I'm going through a car wash, which is awesome, you guys. Which is really cool that we get to do a car wash, because I haven't done a car wash ever. Never in my blue moon, never ever in history of vehicles I have. But I'm doing this late, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. See? So talk to you guys when the car wash is going.
So I'm getting today's video, you guys. Yes, I had a really fun time in the car wash for the first time ever with my vehicle. What? What do you want? What? You want to say hi? Yeah, you want to say hi? But that's pretty awesome that we went to the car wash, which was cool and awesome at the same time. So it's your Pumpkin signing out. Peace out, guys. See you guys back in the near future with Pumpkin. Have a good day. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Bye, guys. Bye.